In this video, we will show you how to do a cold start in a smart UPS. This is a great way to establish if a UPS will not turn on due to bad input power. First, make sure the UPS is off and then unplug it from the wall. Remove any attached load. Now, press and hold the power button on the front of the UPS. Let go of the power button until you hear the long beep. The UPS will go through its normal self-test and end up on battery with 4 beeps every 30 seconds. This shows that the UPS is functioning correctly and can both pass a self-test and function on battery. Now you can plug the UPS back on the wall. Then the UPS should switch back to online mode. And now you have performed a cold start in a smart UPS. If the UPS passes this test, you can go ahead and reattach your load.